Hello, my name is Mike Angle, President and owner of the Chad Company. We have been in business since 1971 and specialize in the design, manufacture, and service of automated washing and sanitizing equipment for slaughtering and processing operations of all size. We pride ourselves in excellent product design and quality and exceptional customer service. With over 200 installations worldwide, the Chad Company is the industry leader and product innovator for all of your washing and sanitizing needs.
In this short video, we will demonstrate for you the Chad equipment designed for hog slaughter operations. We will concentrate on our two most popular products, high-pressure neck wash with final rinse, USDA approved number NW-1000-1, and carcass sanitizing spray assembly, USDA approved number HCSS-1000. We will also acquaint you with the other Chad products for hog slaughter operations. This video will show the products in use and detail the many features and benefits that Chad products offer for you. Demonstrated here is the Chad high-pressure neck wash with final rinse. This product is generally located near the end of the slaughtering process, before the sanitizing spray assembly and prior to the carcass entering the cooler. The purpose of the Chad neck wash is to concentrate a high-pressure wash in the neck area and provide a thorough rinse of the entire carcass. To accomplish these functions, the Chad neck wash has two separate oscillating spray assemblies in one stainless steel cabinet. Shown here is the oscillating spray assembly designed to concentrate a high-pressure wash in the neck area. Please notice that the spray assembly has 4 spray pipes. In this video, all 4 spray pipes are operating together to wash the neck area and a portion of the backbone on butcher hogs. The Chad neck wash is designed with maximum flexibility. If desired, the top 2 spray pipes can operate separately from the bottom 2 spray pipes. This allows you to concentrate on the neck area of butcher hogs with only the top 2 spray pipes, and the neck area of larger animals with only the bottom 2 spray pipes. Also notice that the spray assembly is adjustable to accommodate the length of your butcher or heavy hogs. This flexible design offers superior washing capability with minimal water usage. Shown here are 2 high-pressure solenoid valves that are mounted on the outside of the cabinet to control which set of spray pipes is operating. The solenoid valves are controlled by a push-button switch. The neck wash spray assembly is supplied by a high-pressure piston pump assembly with a stainless steel supply tank and float switch, bypass line assembly, high-pressure diverter valve, pressure regulator, and pulsation dampeners. The pump and motor assembly is shipped fully assembled. The tank and suction, discharge, and bypass piping are shipped partially assembled. Shown here is the second oscillating spray assembly in the Chad neck wash cabinet. This spray assembly is designed to thoroughly rinse the entire carcass before the carcass enters the sanitizing spray assembly. This spray assembly can be supplied by house pressure at approximately 50 psi, or an optional pump assembly can supply the carcass spray assembly at approximately 250 psi. The operating pressure will depend on the condition of your carcasses and the specific needs of your customers. The Chad neck wash cabinet is nominally 7 feet long by 4 feet wide and is not centered under the rail to conform to the contour of the hog carcass. The cabinet also has a stainless steel bottom with drains for ease of wastewater control. Also notice the stainless steel guide bars to position the hogs in the center of the cabinet for a consistent, thorough wash. The Chad neck wash is also supplied with an electric control panel for efficient operation of the equipment and ease of installation. The control panel must be wired to the rail so that the water flow stops if the rail stops. Shown here is an excellent illustration of the advantages of the Chad high-pressure neck wash with final rinse using a before and after video of the carcasses. Please notice the blood clots and generally bloody condition of the necks before the carcasses enter the Chad neck wash cabinet. Shown next are the carcasses exiting the Chad neck wash cabinet. Now you will notice that the neck area of the carcasses are free of blood clots and there is very little blood remaining in the neck area. Also notice that no manual trimming is performed after the Chad neck wash cabinet. This obvious and significant improvement in the condition of the necks was accomplished with only high-pressure water. Prior to the neck wash cabinet, the esophagus is manually removed, but other manual trimming is only needed to meet plant-specific requirements. The Chad neck wash has design flexibility to tailor the condition of the necks to your customer's requirements. This is accomplished by proper nozzle selection and operating water pressure. Also notice the excellent condition of the entire carcass, including the removal of bone dust, after a thorough rinse with the oscillating spray assembly designed for the complete carcass. In this video, the complete carcass spray assembly is operating at a house pressure of approximately 50 psi. As illustrated before in this video, the Chad high-pressure neck wash with final rinse offers many benefits for you. Reduces microbial contamination for a safer, higher quality carcass from superior washing of the hard-to-clean neck area and the entire carcass. Increases yields and profits due to reduced trim, estimated at 1/4 to 1/2 pound per carcass. At today's high kill rates of 1,000 head per hour or more, increased yields of even 1/4 pound per carcass will increase profits by over $1,000 per day. Reduces labor costs by eliminating manual washing and reducing trim labor. Minimizes water usage, saving you water and sewage costs. Performs reliably with minimal maintenance costs. Next, let us turn our attention to the Chad Hog Carcass Sanitizing Spray Assembly, USDA approved number HCSS-1000. This equipment mixes and applies a sanitizing agent of your choice to the entire hog carcass. Typical sanitizing agents are acetic acid, lactic acid, and/or citric acid. There are many advantages to applying a sanitizing agent for control and reduction of microbial contamination. Product quality and safety. Proper carcass washing and sanitizing will significantly reduce the microbial contamination on the surface of the carcass. Laboratory and production tests indicate a reduction in total plate counts of 1 log or more. Extended shelf life. Again, testing has shown that reduced microbial contamination will inhibit bacterial growth and increase shelf life by a minimum of several days to a few weeks. This is particularly important for companies that would like to export fresh products as well as products for grinding operations where excessive microbial contamination can severely degrade the final product. Product differentiation. A safer, higher quality product with extended shelf life will separate your product from your competitors. Sales and marketing advantage. This will result in the distinct sales advantage that all companies are striving for. The Chad sanitizing spray assembly consists of 2 major components. First is a stainless steel cabinet with an evacuation system and air doors with blower. And second is the acid mixing, pumping, and controlling system. The stainless steel cabinet assembly offers the following features and benefits for you. Stainless steel spray mechanism with stainless steel street elbows and nozzles. Recommended and USDA approved operating pressure is only 20 psi. Air doors with air nozzles at both the entrance and exit of the cabinet for containment of the mist and atomization. The blower to power the air doors is also supplied by the Chad Company. Exhaust system for evacuation of mist and odors from the work area. The Chad Company supplies a stainless steel duct from the bottom to the top of the cabinet. Also supplied by the Chad Company are the exhaust blower and the air volume gauge for monitoring the exhaust blower performance. The stainless steel cabinet includes a bottom with drain to collect and drain the sanitizing solution. All required valving for sanitizing solution monitoring and control, including strainer, pressure gauge, stainless steel manual ball valve, and stainless steel electric solenoid valve. Start-stop switch for manual operation of the cabinet. Also, the solenoid valve must be wired to the rail so that the sanitizing spray stops when the rail stops. The CHAD mixing, pumping, and controlling system provides the following features and benefits for you. Stainless steel divided tank. Tank number 1 contains water heated to the desired temperature, and tank number 2 contains heated water with the proper concentration of the desired sanitizing solution. 2 stainless steel pumps. Pump number 1 is used to mix the acid to the proper concentration, and pump number 2 supplies the heated acid concentration to the spray cabinet at the proper flow and pressure. A temperature mixing valve is provided by the CHAD company to raise the water temperature to the desired level. Either a hot and cold water mixing valve or a steam and cold water mixing valve is provided depending on your preference. An injector using Venturi action is provided to mix the acid concentration with fresh water to achieve the proper level of acid concentration in the sanitizing solution. Notice the barrel of concentrated acid with hose supplying the injector. This is a very simple and accurate method of mixing the acid to the proper concentration. A digital conductivity meter is supplied to continually monitor the acid concentration. The acid concentration range is easily adjusted and can be readily monitored by plant and USDA personnel on an online production basis. The conductivity meter is connected to a PVC probe that is submersed in the acid concentration. A manifold is provided at the pump discharge for easy connection of PVC piping to supply the sanitizing spray to the spray cabinet. Sufficient pump capacity is available to supply several additional spray locations, such as the head workup area and off-fall. All appropriate strainers, gauges, and valves are also supplied by the CHAD company. Most of these controls are stainless steel to protect them from the acid solutions. A handheld conductivity meter is provided to help calibrate the system at startup and to be used as a periodic check of the wall-mounted conductivity meter. A pre-wired control panel is provided for ease of installation and efficient operation of the mixing, pumping, and controlling system. In addition to the high-pressure neck wash with final rinse and the sanitizing spray assembly, the CHAD company offers several other products for your hog slaughter operation. The CHAD brush-type hog polisher is a proven hog polishing design that is currently operating successfully in plants in the United States and Canada. It uses high-quality polypropylene brushes to thoroughly polish the entire carcass with built-in additional polishing capabilities for both the ham and neck areas. This is an efficient, cost-saving alternative to the whip-type hog polishers, both on initial cost and cost of replacement whips versus brushes. The CHAD Hog Carcass Wash is used on scalded hogs after shaving and at the end of the slaughtering process to provide a thorough rinse of the entire carcass. This delivers a clean carcass to the eviscerating table and the cooler and reduces the spread of contamination. The CHAD Hog Carcass Wash utilizes the same final wash mechanism as shown above for the hog neck wash with final carcass rinse. The CHAD Hog Carcass Wash for skinned hogs is located immediately after the skinning operation to thoroughly wash the entire carcass prior to evisceration. The CHAD Brush-type Viscera Pan Wash is a brush and spray system for continuous cleaning and sanitizing of your viscera pans. The CHAD Boot Scrubber Wash is a brush and spray system for automatically cleaning and sanitizing personnel boots as the personnel enter or exit the workplace.
We hope that this overview of the CHAD company and our equipment has been helpful to you. Please call me at 800-444-8360 in the United States and Canada, or 913-764-0321 outside of the United States and Canada, or fax me at 913-764-0779 worldwide. We look forward to working with you on a project in the near future. Thank you from everyone at the CHAD Company.